What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today on the WRX, took off the headlights, separated the housing. I'm gonna paint them black, and I got some HIDs for Christmas I'm gonna put in. We heated this one up and peeled it apart, took it apart, and now we're painting it outside. So before they were red, and it looked hideous with the car, so now blacken them out.
So with the headlight project, Billy decided he's going to try to go ahead and clear up the lenses a little bit because they were getting a little faded. So he's going to do a little bit of wet sanding here. And are you going to do a clear coat on top of that or no?
Yep, do 400 grit, 1000 grit, and then clear coat on top.
So yep, so that's what he's going to do. We're going to see how it comes out when he's all finished.
Alright guys, as you can see, it was originally red, painted black, did a little blackout tint, translucent on it.
Now that Billy got the passenger side done, we're going to start working on that driver's side now. Hopefully we finish before it gets too dark out here. But yeah, so he's just taking it apart, pulling all the screws, as he said already, and then he's going to use the heat gun, heat it up, loosen up the glue and all that, pull the lens off, repaint everything, and then make it look all good and slap it back on. So stay tuned for that.
Yay. Essentially the same exact shit, so we can encode something.
I mean, it just means random related necessarily. They could just...
We're going to be putting some Zentex headlights in there. It should be the white ones. Let's see. Yeah, cool white. Alright guys, finished painting the headlights with a little bit of translucent tint on them. I think they turned out really good. Super happy with them. A whole lot better than that ugly red. Finally matches the car. And also installed the HID kit. And there you have it. It's on. Love how the HIDs turned out. So you guys have it. Like us, subscribe, comment below what you guys think.